Ito ang ating contest na to ay hindi lang sa pang-adult. May mga sumasali din dito ng mga bata.
Yeah.
Ito naman ay representative ng ating mga kabataang kabayan dito sa Dubai. He's from Las Piñas City. Work student of Starland International School, Acna Solo Dance. 8 years old, Carlos Miguel Candia.
Palakpakan nyo naman guys, Carlos Miguel.
Ang ganda ng buhok,
Ay,
Neng, no?
Naku, pinagandaan ang
Ang
gabi
batang
ko.
Joker, no? Hello, Bibi! Appear naman tayo.
Ay,
How are you? Inglesero kasi to.
English daw. Oo, sabi mo na, bigyan mo na yun.
How are you? Are you ready?
Yes po.
Ready na? Ladies and gentlemen, 8 years old, Carlos Miguel Candia.
Dance pala to.
Thinking out the box from where I stand. And my room
batang ito naman talaga. Alright, Eva, nasan ka na?
Yes! Palapakan ng Carlos Miguel!
Galing, no?
8
Grabe.
years old!
Bata, 8 years old pa lang.
Diba? Ganyan na ganyan ako nag-start name.
Talaga, ano nangyari?
Ganyan ka eh.
Bakla ka na.
Uy, palapakan niyo naman Carlos Miguel!
Grabe ka.
8 years old
Imagine mo,
na.
pag tumanda pa to, no? Mas grabe pa, no?
May future tayong Bong Navarro, di ba?
Yes. Alright, sige.
Proud na proud ang mga magulang ng ating contestant. Tanungin naman po natin ang judges kung proud ba ang ating mga hurado. Unahin na natin, proud ba si Jurado Elton?
Yes, ang galing ng performance ni Carlos Miguel. Like, he came prepared from the costume, from the hairdo, talagang super confident. Lahat ng moves niya, napaka-sharp, napaka-astig. And I would like to congratulate the parents for supporting kung ano man ang talent ng inyong kid. And good luck. I like it.
Thank you so much. Ayan, Jurado RJ.
Hi, Carlos. That was amazing. I was impressed. If for your age and see something like that performance, I think it's hilarious. I think you will go beyond that road. All right. So continue dancing, and your parents are there watching you. They are for sure supporting you. Yeah. Continue dancing. Don't stop. And I think I'll be seeing you in the finals.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hindi mo, Chogi.
Nasa gilid ka ako, nandito lang ako.
Hindi mo naintindihan.
Yes. And of course, the chairman of the judges, Sir Eddie.
Hey, Carlos, you look so expensive and you look so elegant on stage. And wala eh, talagang the star factor na doon na, the energy, the angas, alam mo yung angas, ang angas mo tingnan sa stage eh, talagang you are really a performer. Alam mo, pag siguro, pag may mga event na ako na pwedeng, yung mga kids na mag-perform,
Pasok to.
oh, pasok na pasok talaga.
Yes.
Pasok na pasok talaga. And I'm so excited for you, young man. And keep on doing your, what is inside your heart, just keep on doing it. And you really did an amazing job. And to the parents, congratulations po. Thank you. And nakakatuwa po tingnan na may mga parents na talagang susuportahan yung mga anak nila pagdating sa ganitong mga talento. So, Carlos, you're amazing, man. We're just so happy, and we really enjoyed your performance tonight. Great job, well done.
Wow! What a day! Keep on dreaming. Ayan, balik naman tayo sa entablado, Eva and Josh.
Thank you very much.
Salamat, Choki!
Salamat sa ating sa ating
Congrats, baby!
Thank you very much.
Oh, narinig niya, ha? Sabi ni Sir
Yes.
Arsis, see you doon on finals.
Ako, parang ano na to.